Okay, so you made the mistake of completely springing the thing in your spring. I'm going to show you how you fix it. So, funny enough, you can rebuild these whole tapes. I don't know if you can buy just a spring or if it comes pre-installed in the blue piece, but that key's in there. And you're going to coil it going off the direction of the base. It's going to spring into two directions, but just remember that clock spring is going to go in there like this. And this is the direction it's going to be facing. So when you're looking at the plate like this, the spring is going to go in counterclockwise. That's the way you're going to coil it in there. So it's pretty simple. Just bend it back, and I like to kind of do it with my four fingers like that. Twist and push. And in the beginning, you're going to have to fight with it a bit. It helps if you can try to keep it as organized as possible, but you just start pressing it in and twisting the spring. Getting down to the wire. Okay. Give that just a little straightening out. Okay. You know, keep your fingers on here, your fingers or thumbs. You know you did it right if it's in like this. So let me think here. That's your plate. Pegs down there. The curly Q should be finishing like it was going clockwise, like that. So now what you do is you line these guys up. And just like that, you're going to press it in and twist. Oh, actually, should give that a little bit of a squish. Just press it on and twist. Eventually, it will key itself into place. Yep. So we're on. We're good. Line up your washer with your bolsters. And put your ring on top. You're going to start two of your screws to line everything up. And now we're gonna give our tape tension. So let's see, start with it in neutral. We know the peg starts down there. That peg with that screw, or in my case, I know my initials with 12 o'clock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 should be good. It's been a while since I've done this. I use a Biltmore stick every day now. I definitely know for the 75 footer tapes in my old videos I got the number right, but pretty sure 7's right. If not, take your tape, stick it in a tree. If you can pull it out all the way and the tension's right, then you're good. If you can't pull your tape out all the way, then just loosen up the screws and back off on the spring. And that's clockwise to increase tension, counterclockwise to decrease tension.